How to change your ESPN Fantasy Football logo. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change your ESPN Fantasy Football logo. For this, you want to launch open the Fantasy ESPN app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now make sure to log into your account. Then on the home screen, you will find the option of My Team. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you will find this I button. Tap on that. Now you have the pencil icon at the top of your logo, tap that. Now you have two options, select from logo pack or upload from your device. If you already have the logo saved in your device, select the second option, but if you want to select it from the logo pack, tap on the first option. Now you will find different logo options over here. Go ahead and select whichever it is that you prefer. Then select the logo from here, then tap on choose logo. Now, as you can see, your ESPN Fantasy Football logo has been successfully changed, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.